If you're running a small business and your visuals look cheap, you're leaving money on the table every single day. The product page is the storefront. The images are the salesperson. When your product photos look blurry, generic, or inconsistent, customers scroll past. They don't trust it. They don't buy it. And here's the painful part. Getting professional photography done right is expensive. Studio rental, photographer fees, editing, revisions. By the time you're done with one product line, you're already in for a few $1,000s. Most small business owners don't have that budget. So they either settle for what they have, or they spend hours wrestling with Canva templates that still look like templates.
Let me show you a different way.
Lovart is an AI design agent built for small business owners. It's designed to help you create professional-grade visuals for your products, your brand, and your marketing, starting from scratch without a designer and starting at $19 a month. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step so you can see whether it's worth your time. Here's the exact workflow I'll walk you through. We'll start with a raw product photo, the kind you take with your phone in your kitchen or your garage. We'll use Lovart to turn it into a professional product shot with multiple angles. Then we'll build consistent brand visuals using Lovart's brand kit feature. Then we'll edit text and images directly inside the platform in seconds. And finally, I'll show you how Lovart turns those static images into video content for your social channels. This is a real end-to-end workflow that small business owners are using right now to cut their design costs and speed up their content production. Let's go. I'm going to open Lovart's interface now. On the main dashboard, you'll see the core tools laid out clearly: image generation, brand kit, video creation, and more. For this walkthrough, I'll start with the most practical use case for small business owners, turning a raw product photo into something you can actually put on your store. I'm going to upload a simple product shot, taken on the phone, no lighting setup, plain background. This is what most of us start with. The interface is straightforward. You select the generation tool, upload your image, and type a brief description of what you want. Lovart processes this and starts generating options in seconds. What I love about Lovart's workflow is that it doesn't just make one image. It gives you multiple variations to choose from. You'll see different lighting setups, different angles, different styles. You pick the one that fits your brand and move forward. This is useful because it means you can generate several options quickly and pick the best one, rather than being locked into whatever a designer gives you the first time. Once the generation is done, you get your results. Here's the part that saves you serious time: Lovart's multi-angle feature. You take that single product shot and Lovart generates multiple professional angles from it: front view, side view, top down, 45 degrees. Now, if you wanted to do this traditionally, you'd need a turntable, controlled lighting, and a camera. Or you'd pay a studio photographer hundreds of dollars per product for a full set of angles. With Lovart, you're doing this in seconds from one phone photo. This is especially valuable if you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, or any e-commerce platform that needs multiple product angles for a single listing. One photo in, multiple e-commerce ready images out. Beyond the standard product shots, Lovart can also generate lifestyle context around your product. Instead of just a clean studio shot, it can place your product into a scene: a kitchen counter, a hiking setup, a professional workspace, so your listing image does more emotional work. This is the kind of thing that normally requires a separate lifestyle photography session with props, models, and location scouting. Lovart handles that in a single generation step, which is a significant workflow improvement if you're trying to move fast on a product launch. You can generate both the product shot and the lifestyle version in the same session, keeping everything consistent and on brand. Let's move on to building brand consistency. If you're running a small business with multiple products, you can't have every visual looking like it came from a different designer. Lovart's brand kit feature solves this. You define your visual identity once: your logo, your colors, your typography style. Lovart saves this as your brand kit. Now, every time you generate a new product image, a social post, a label, or a banner, Lovart keeps everything aligned with your brand automatically. You stop worrying about whether the blue in this post matches the blue in that one. The system handles it for you. This is the part that used to require either a designer on staff or expensive agency work. Now it's built into the workflow and it runs automatically every time you generate something, which means your whole brand feels cohesive even if you're the only person running it. Now let me show you how fast edits work inside the platform. One of the things that kills productivity is when you need a quick text change. Maybe you're running a promotion and you need to update a price or a date across 5 different images. Traditionally, that means going back into design software, finding the right layer, making the change, exporting again. With Lovart's Touch Edit, you can tap on any text element in a generated image and change it directly. No regeneration, no export to another tool. Just tap, edit, done. This is useful for anyone who runs regular promotions, holiday sales, new product launches, flash discounts. You generate once, then edit the text across variations in seconds. It's a simple feature, but it saves a disproportionate amount of time when you're moving fast on a campaign. Beyond static images, Lovart also has a video generation feature that can take your product images and create short video content from them. This is useful for social media ads, Shopify product videos, or Amazon lifestyle content. You don't need to animate anything manually. Lovart AI handles the transition from static image to motion. Upload your product image, select the video generation tool, and Lovart creates a short clip that showcases your product in motion. This is particularly helpful for e-commerce sellers who need video content but don't have video editing skills or budget for a production team. The generated video keeps the same visual style as your brand kit, so the transition from static to motion feels natural and on brand. You can export this directly and drop it into your ad campaigns or product page, which cuts out another tool from your workflow entirely. Here's what Lovart is built for and who it's for. This is designed for independent founders, local shop owners, e-commerce sellers, and creators building a business. Basically anyone who needs professional visuals but doesn't have a design team. At $19 a month, Lovart is positioned as an affordable alternative to hiring a designer or paying for stock photography subscriptions. You get the design agent, you get the generation tools, you get the brand consistency features, and you get video generation all in one place. For a small business owner, that's a completely different economic calculation than paying hundreds or thousands of dollars for a single photo shoot. The platform is designed so that you can start using it without any design background. You describe what you want in plain language, and Lovart handles the execution. The interface is clean and focused, not cluttered with options you don't need. If you're running a Shopify store, an Amazon listing, an Instagram for your brand, or even just trying to look more credible in your local market, Lovart handles the visual production side of that. You don't need to learn Photoshop, you don't need to hire anyone. You describe what you want, Lovart generates it, you edit what you need, and you export. That's the full loop for your business. And because everything stays consistent with your brand kit, you can keep producing more content without it looking disjointed over time. That wraps the walkthrough. Here's what we covered today. Starting from a raw phone photo and using Lovart's AI to generate multiple professional product images with consistent angles and lighting. Placing those products into lifestyle scenes for richer e-commerce listings. Building brand consistency with a brand kit so every visual you produce looks like it belongs to the same business. Editing text and images directly in the platform with Touch Edit, no extra tools needed. And turning static images into video content for social media and ads. The whole workflow from upload to export runs in minutes, not days. If you want to try Lovart for yourself, the link is in the description. Whether you're launching a new product line, building your brand identity from scratch, or just need better social media content, this is worth 20 minutes of your time. You might be surprised how far one product photo can go when the AI handles the heavy lifting.